Meaning of gynecologist.
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 Gynecologist. A gynecologist is a medical doctor who specializes in the reproductive health of women, particularly the female reproductive system. They diagnose and treat various conditions related to the uterus, ovaries, vagina, and breasts, and provide medical advice on contraceptive methods and family planning. Gynecologists also perform annual checkups and cancer screenings to ensure early detection of potential problems. As women's reproductive health is a sensitive and important aspect of overall well-being, it is crucial to seek regular care from a qualified gynecologist.